Terra Luna's price prediction has beautifully played out. Let's take a look at today's price prediction. This is our last analysis that we done on Terra Luna. Now what we can see, the support has held up at 0.00010, and there's roughly around about 1 million orders there and a few below. Now to the upside, the resistance that we had is 1.00013. There's a lot of sellers at this point, meaning they weren't trying to take it much higher than this price. Now, over the weekend, what could have happened? Those orders at 0.13 must have moved a bit lower to 0.12. It's not much of a difference, but if you look at the percentage, it's roughly about let's say 4%. Now, to the downside, what we can see, value was being found over here. So balance was created and balance has been tapped in. Now, what this means for us is all the orders over here. So let me just annotate this for you. So all the orders between this point and this point, this is what's keeping this pump still alive, essentially. Now, whoever's in this region here, they're still in the market, as we can see over here. Now, if they come out the market, we can expect price to go anywhere below this region here, and this is an indication that they are outside the market now, meaning then we can see prices as this come into play. However, as of yet, we are above our fair value region, so we can see price go much higher, and what we actually saw is a nice wick forming, meaning a lot of buyers did come in as they said, okay, this is a cheap price. Now, what can we expect from the current market? Now, what we have to do is actually look at the order book to do this, because every day the order book is changing, the demand is changing, and the supply especially is changing as well on Luna. Now, when we look at the order book, what we can see, there's around about 1 million orders at 0.00010. So exactly where our support level is and roughly near our current price point as well. So we can see this region hold up for some time. Now, if price does dip a bit lower, we may see 0.00009 and maybe at 8 as well. But we'll see how price goes throughout the week. Now, as of here, this is a good buying price. We can see a lot of buying orders at this point as well. There's a lot in demand here. As we can see, yeah, like orders are increasing as we speak. Now, what we can see here, we got around about 500k, 400k, 200k, 700k. Now, this is the highest number here, 700k, and this is ideally what I'm really focusing on. So let's take a look at the chart. Now, I'm expecting price to go anywhere in that region. So yeah, let's have a look. So 0.14. So if we just go here, get our coordinates in. So 0.14 is what I'm looking at. So let me just get the other coordinates in as well. So yeah, so I'm looking price to come roughly in this region this week. It's a good midterm slash short-term target, in my opinion. Now, if we do see, let's say, orders, let's say, dry up here or demand dry up here, then yes, we can see a nice pullback forming. But this is something that we have to look into the order book and see where the pullback can go to. So we might see something similar to this on Terra Luna, go up like this into that region, sharp pullback down wherever value was found, and then we may see a nice run up. Now, a lot of people have been asking where can price go long term. I've got a very good target, so get subscribing, get liking the video, and maybe I'll just put my prediction out long term, and it's a lot of gains in my opinion. Now, in terms of where else price can go, let's take a look, because yes, we have got this our first point of target. Anything higher as of yet, I mean, yes, we have got range that I will cover in the next video, but as of yet, the way we want to play is very simple, very clean. We don't really want to get too greedy with this. We rather want to be accumulating our coins rather than say, hey, let's hodl and not make anything out of it. And that way you are exposing yourself to a lot of risk. So yeah, it's not really worth it, in my opinion. Now we understand that. Let's take a look at roughly what sort of price gain can we achieve. So roughly from this price point, it's around about 30% gain, to be fair, and which is a very respectable amount. So if you put 1 grand into Terra Luna, you can be receiving up to £300 or $300, depending on the currency you are working with or investing with. So yeah, as of yet, let's take a look at what's happening on the order book, because price is coming to the downside. So I'm just going to order book. So yeah, price is tapping into 0.00010. We can see price is holding up, orders are holding up at 1.3 million. So yeah, I would say this price will hold up fairly decent. So 0.00010 we are expecting roughly here, to be very precise, something here. So we may see price come down like up to here. I would say that's the max. So we, like you see, we are adjusting everything every single day. But yeah, apart from that, on the order book, everything's looking clean, especially on Kraken. Long term, yeah, the order book's looking quite empty on the upside. So if those orders do get filled over here in this region, we can see a nice big rally up, just like this. So we saw roughly a 198, let's say 200% gain. We might, or let's say we can see that because the order book is so thin towards the upside. Now let's take a look at Binance. Binance, we can see there's a lot of sell orders, around about 4 million sell orders at 0.00011. Yeah, so I would say the better exchange for you right now to purchase everything is going to be from Kraken, because I know Binance do hold around about a quarter of supply for this, or let's say Binance wallets. Now on KuCoin, we can see there's around about 1.5 million orders over here at 0.00010. So we can see it is fairly even or fairly similar across all the exchanges, and we can see a similar price point getting achieved there as well. So yeah, get subscribing. If you like the video, press the like button. If you want me to cover any other cryptos of your choice, please put in the comments below. See you soon.